Shield U is a Health Canada Class 1 approved personal protective face shield developed for healthcare and emergency response applications. It can also be used by business, commercial, or industrial workers or members of the general public wanting to protect themselves from airborne droplets in work or public spaces where they may come into close contact or are unable to maintain safe distance. Shield U has two simple parts, a clear, flexible visor and the adjustable headband. The visor is universal and can be fitted left to right or right to left. Holding the headband with the text on the forehead baffle upward, place the first hole in the visor over the farthest retaining tab. Now, wrap the visor around the headband, locating the second and third holes over their respective tabs. When you reach the final retention tab, bend the headband strap forward, allowing the tab to fit into the final hole. Once engaged, the strap is returned to its normal position, creating tension in the visor to securely hold it in place. Fitting and adjusting your Shield U face shield is just as simple. Insert the strap into the adjuster at the back of the headband, holding the ratchet as you insert and push the strap through. The first time you do this, there will be some stiffness or resistance, but this will become easier to adjust after the first use. Place the headband over your head and pull on the end of the strap to adjust it comfortably to size, clipping the spare strap into the clips provided. To replace your visor, removal is the opposite of fitting. Remove the strap from the rear adjuster, bend the open end forward, and release the visor from the retainer tab. Your headband should fit like a baseball cap, positioning approximately 3/4 of an inch above your eyebrows, the strap passing horizontally above your ears to position the adjuster. When correctly fitted, a light pressure will be felt on your forehead and the visor should be parallel to your face. If the strap is too high, the visor will be too close to your face. If the strap is too low, the bottom edge of the visor will be tipped upward and may not provide the necessary protection. In the correct position, there is sufficient space to prevent fogging and allow other personal protective equipment such as N95 masks or safety glasses or regular eyeglasses to be worn underneath. To remove your Shield U, avoid contact with the visor as much as possible as this will be the surface that becomes potentially contaminated during use. It is recommended that using both hands, you hold the headband above your ears and lift the headband vertically away from your head. To prevent damaging your Shield U, it should always be set down on any surface headband first with the visor standing upward. Both the visor and the headband have been designed to be fully recyclable but should be separated before doing so. For facilities with designated shield recycling systems, place the visor and the headband in their designated containers.